Here we are with Krista from SewTites.
Hello.
And if you guys know, you know that already, right? I am so freaking awesome in love with this product. It's one of the most amazing investments a quilter or anybody can make when they want to have a very freaking awesome cutting mat because it holds everything in place. And Krista is going to say something about it because you have to learn about it.
Okay. So this is our magnetic cutting system, and we've got a round version. It's on ball bearings. It spins freely, and you can use it with our magnetic rulers. There's magnets in the rulers. And then when you add the boosters, it helps hold your ruler down so that you're not slipping around while you cut. And we've now got the expanded version of the mat, so it's 24 by 42 inches, so it's really big. And it comes with this big ruler that's 8.5 by 24 inches. And we've got two new rulers that are coming out. So these are on pre-order right now. Our 10.5 inch and our 2.5 by 12.5.
Krista, I have to interrupt you because look, I just ordered this small little baby right here. This is a must. I repeat, a must have.
Must have.
You keep on doing what you're doing. Go ahead.
So those are new. Those are our newest ones. This one's actually available right now, so you can order this one and get it shipped immediately. These two other ones are on pre-order, so they'll ship in the winter time at some point.
So let me show this again. Small little babies right here. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited about this. I'm going, woo! Help me here, Krista. You see, even to remove, look, I am trying to remove this. It's glued to the freaking mat. What does that mean, my friend? It means that your fabric is going to be held in place. Look, you must hold this right now. Krista, what else?
What else? We do have,
What about two? Yes.
these are probably my most used SewTite. I use them to load long arm quilt backs onto my long arm frame. Very quick, very easy, and much nicer on your hands than pins and other types of clip systems that are maybe a struggle to get.
I also got the small little magnets so we can work on those small little blocks that we have been working on for the 100 days, 100 scrap blocks pursuit. And can you show that to me, the 5-pack or the 3-pack?
Come on over here. We have all these different ones. You're talking about the orange guy?
Look at this.
Okay.
Also, yes, the orange guy. And
So this is a really nice one for English paper piecing, wool applique, small handwork. But they're also pretty strong, so you can use them to baste small quilt projects or really anything.
And you know the best part? You know when you're using pins and you're all bleeding and you're ruining your piece because you have blood all over your fingers? That's not going to happen anymore, my friend. So, Krista, anything else you want to say about SewTites? Because I am so excited.
Live magnetically.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Yes, magnetically and energetically. What about that? Thank you so much, Krista. Thank you so much, SewTites.
Thank you.
I love you. Everything's working. Let's test if
Hello,
we're working.
hello.
Hello.
Test,
Oh my gosh,
testing,
I love it. Yes.
Testing 1.